In this video, we are going to explain the basic definition of organoids. What is an organoid? As you may expect, the word organoid comes from the word organ. We have a lot of organs in our body, each of them with a specific function and made of different types of cells. Some of them allow us to think, to breathe, and to digest and absorb food. In order to understand how they keep us healthy, scientists have figured out a way to study them in the laboratory by taking a piece of tissue from a human and processing it to create a mini human organ called an organoid. In order to understand how we make organoids, we have to understand the concept of stem cells. For example, imagine this piece of paper is a stem cell. Depending on how we fold it, it can become many types of things. This is similar to how a stem cell works. Stem cells are super powerful cells that have the potential to be whatever cell type in our body if they are surrounded by the right conditions. Stem cells can be found in your adult body in different organs. For example, we can take a small piece of tissue from a human stomach, break it down into cells, and grow them in the right conditions that copy the human body. Over time, cells produce more cells and finally create the organoid. That can be seen and studied through a microscope. What can we do with them? Two possible uses for them are 2. 1. Use them to study certain diseases that only occur in humans. And 2. Understand why people respond in different ways to different drugs, what we call personalized medicine. Organoids are a powerful new tool that lets us better understand how the human body functions to keep us happy and healthy.